In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a ClickUp list via a link and give collaborators full edit access. We'll start right inside your ClickUp workspace. First, open the list you want to collaborate on. After you log in, use the left sidebar to navigate to the right space or project and select the specific list. Make sure you're in list view so you see tasks in tidy rows. That confirms you're working on the correct list, and it also ensures the options you're about to change apply to what's on your screen. Next, open the Sharing and Permissions panel. Look to the top area of the screen for the Share or Permissions icon. Depending on your layout, it may look like a share symbol or be labeled sharing. Click it and a panel will open that controls who can access this list and what they can do. Now turn on link sharing. In the panel, find the option called link sharing or share via link. Toggle it on to enable link sharing. The moment you do, ClickUp generates a unique link for this list. Think of this link like a key. It grants access based on the permissions you're about to set, so you're in control of what people can do once they open it. With the link generated, copy and send it. Click copy link, then paste it into your preferred communication channel, like email, chat apps, or your team's collaboration tool. As long as your workspace settings allow it, anyone with this link can open the list directly in ClickUp. If a teammate says they can't access it, that usually means your workspace has stricter link sharing rules. In that case, check with your admin so the setting lines up with your plan. Before you share widely, set the right permission level. In the sharing settings, look for the access level that applies to link users. Change it to full edit. This gives collaborators the ability to create tasks, edit existing ones, reorganize tasks and statuses, and leave comments or update details. Double check that full edit is clearly selected. If it doesn't look active, click it again so it's applied. Finally, save and start collaborating. Click Save or Apply in the sharing panel to lock in your changes. Once saved, your list is officially shared and anyone using the link has edit access. From here, you can assign tasks to teammates, comment back and forth, and move work through statuses together in real time. That's all you need to get a ClickUp list shared via link with full editing rights, ready for seamless teamwork.